Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is the last day of the week. This is Friday. So let's see exactly what we expected to be happening this week and what actually happened. So you remember I keep mentioning on this chart that we do have a very good support on the monthly chart. We have a very good support level there. So we don't expect the current month's candle to actually close below this line here. So despite the fact that the price is currently below this level, we still do expect it to come back up, break above this line here, then continue to the upper side. We expect a buy at least up to this level here. So technically, this is the correct price to look for a buy from, around 1.21796. We expect the buyers to push price upwards up to this level. We also have a level here. So if you buy it somewhere around this area here, expect the buyers to push price upwards up to 1.31660. If the price breaks above this level, expect it to continue upwards up to 1.41806. So that is still what I expect to be happening on this chart, despite the fact that the price has been bearish for, like, this was a very good sell. This week we've had price, this was today's candle, daily candle. This is yesterday's candle. This is the candle for Wednesday. This is the candle for Tuesday, and then this is the candle for Monday. So overall, the price is closing as a sell. As you can see here, it looks like the price will close here as a sell on the weekly chart, but that's not a sign that we will close this month as a sell. So we still have possibility that the price may buy off somewhere there. We may want to buy it there, expect the price to close above this level, but if the price closes below as it is now, then we may see price continue downwards up to around this level, which is 1.18930. So we do expect the sellers to push price downwards up to this point. If the price comes up and ends up above this level, expect the buyers to push price upwards up to this level here. So that's my opinion on the GBP USD. Well, let's look at Euro USD. So Euro USD so far, let's see what we expect to be happening. So with the USD so far, the price has been in a very good downtrend. You can see that the price has been in a very good downtrend. We've seen a continuation lower. So we have shapes on this chart. We do have this one, and then you have another one. So this was a breakout. Then we have so you can see that the price actually has broken clearly below this level here. So this is a sign that we may see price continue downwards on the 1 hour chart, but on the monthly chart we still do expect the buyers to take control at least after the end of this month. We don't expect the monthly candle close as it is now, but if that happens, then that will be a good sign that we are strictly now sellers up to that level. The next target is this one here. So if the price pulls back up and touches 1.04737, we're going to look for a long-term sell position up to this level. If the price breaks below this level, then we expect it to continue downwards at least up to 0.84190. The next chart, this is the Ustello Japanese Yen. This has been bullish. We've seen price continue to the upper side. There's also a shape here. So we have this one, and then you have another one like that. This is a converging wedge formation. We expect the price may come up to this point, either bounce off from this point, then head straight back to this lower trend line, or the price may break above this trend line, then continue to the upper side. So that is what may happen. If the price bounces off from this upper trend line, it will likely come back down. If the price bounces off from this lower trend line, it's likely to go back up. But if the price breaks any of these levels to the upper side, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing in that direction. So a break above this point will mean we are upwards. A break below this point will mean we are heading to the lower side. So the next chart, this is gold. So gold, so far we've seen price extend massively to the lower side. You can see that here we had a very good downtrend. So it looks like the price consolidating around some few areas, like we had this level, this zone here, there's a consolidation there. We had consolidation, and then we had consolidation. So basically, if the price can close below this area, the recent one which I've just highlighted, which is this one, then that will be a sign that we're now continuing even lower. So if the price breaks below this zone, it will mean that we are now continuing downwards. We expect the sellers to continue to push price even lower. So we will be looking for more sell positions. My next chart is the Brent oil. So with the Brent oil so far, we have a very good resistance level there, and then you have another one. This is like a supportive trend line. You see that the price has just broken below it, so this could be a sign that we may see the sellers continue to push price downwards. We expect a possible sell at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking right now, you're supposed to be looking for sell positions. Expect the sellers to push us downwards. Expect a possible long-term sell at least up to this point. I will look for a buy position. Our stop loss is fixed at this price here. So what I expect to be happening is something like this. So I expect the sellers to continue downwards. The green line which I'm drawing now, this is the expectation, what I expect to be happening. Then the price may come back up. Then the price may pull back down. Then the price may continue in that direction upwards, at least up to this level there. So we look for a buy here, and we look for another buy somewhere here. So the next chart which I want us to have a look at, I believe we've looked at this several. We have the same opinion. Nothing much appears to have changed on this chart. If you are to look for a sell, then this is the correct place to look for a sell from. If you are looking for a sell on SP500, this is the correct place you want to look for a sell from. We had a support here, we had a support, we have a resistance now, and we expect the same place to be a resistance. If the price violates this level to the upside, then the next place I want to look for a buy from is this level here. So these are the places you want to buy from. You either buy it within these two lines, or you wait and buy it when the price gets to these two lines here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.